Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sidney, and if you're new, then welcome. So you guys, as y'all can see, I'm in the bathroom. I have my morning face going on, you know, morning hair, bed hair, all that. And the reason why is because I wanted to do something a little different for my next video. So today I'm making this video a vlog. It's gonna be my first vlog on this channel. I really hope y'all are interested. I really hope y'all enjoy it. There's not many things to do today, but me and my boyfriend are gonna go. We are doing some room renovations right now, so we have to just get a couple more things for the room, and I think we're gonna go eat to IHOP. IHOP is the bomb diggity. Okay, I love IHOP. I love IHOP with all my heart. If you're watching this, then what do you prefer, Waffle House or IHOP? And it's crazy because I just had Waffle House yesterday, and that food was bomb. Okay, bomb. No, it's just something about IHOP that's better to me. I don't really know, but whatever. But yeah, not much, like I said. So I'm going to go get ready, go do my hair and stuff, wash my face and stuff, and then I'll come back to you guys. So you guys, we've made it to IHOP, as you can see right here. I don't know what I want to eat yet. I don't know, I just had Waffle House yesterday, like I said before. I don't know what I want to eat yet. I'm probably gonna get a breakfast sampler or something. You know, I always get breakfast sampler. And then after we leave here, we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go to Lowe's after here and get some paint. Because we're painting the room. Like I said, we're doing room renovations. Can't wait for y'all to see it. I have this, well, Niall actually came up with this color. I'm super excited for y'all to see it. We'll have the whole process on our couples channel if y'all are interested, so I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm super excited to see how it's all gonna turn out, because this is one of my first times ever doing a room renovation, and I just never done it before, and it's really exciting, you know, getting everything that you need to prepare for the room renovation. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. But I'm hungry, so we're gonna go in here and we're gonna order our food and we're gonna eat, and I will see you later. I'm talking low because it's really quiet in here. But I got the breakfast sampler, and I got this drink right here. It's like a strawberry orange juice type thing. I don't really know what you call it, but it's good. And babe, he got the same drink, as y'all can tell. And he got an omelet. He got this one right here, the spicy poblano, whatever. I don't know, but yeah, we're here, we're waiting on our food. We hungry. You hungry? Mm-hmm. I'm hungry too. So we got our food, you guys. We got pancakes, omelet, breakfast sampler, French toast, pancakes. He drank all his drink before he get his food. Syrup. They gave us 4 syrups. I have hand sanitizer. And that's it. So we're gonna eat, and I will see you later. So you guys, we made it to Lowe's. We just finished eating. I'm full. I'm really excited for y'all to see the paint. I'll show y'all better whenever we actually get the paint, and whenever we actually start doing the painting for the room. But yeah, I'm super excited. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna get the paint, and I will see you later. So we're in Lowe's. I don't really know what kind of fan we're looking for. I like this one. We're just looking for another ceiling fan. I don't know if I said that already, but we're looking for another ceiling fan. They have a lot in here. I don't really know how to shop for ceiling fans though. So I need my mom here right now because I don't know what I'm doing. So these are some of the fans. Our room is gonna be there's so many fans, gosh. Our room is gonna be the color scheme is gonna be black, a really, really light gray, white, and a little bit of brown. So I don't know. So Niall pointed out that we need a small room. He has the hiccups, so ignore him. But he pointed out that we need small rooms. So that's this one right here. This gray one would go perfectly, but it's for a large room.
You can still fit in the
There's this one over here that I see right here. It's pretty nice. Right here, here. I don't know. Look at this fan, y'all. Look at this. And it's $269. Look at it.
Look at the one to the right.
This one right here that has a freaking LED light on the ceiling fan.
This one right there. I like that one.
This is wild. So we're back in our hometown or whatever you want to call it, and my boyfriend is getting me an ice cream cone. He's getting me an ice cream cone. Then we're gonna go home and then we're gonna film for our couples channel. Well, you guys, I wanted strawberry but they didn't have strawberry, so I had to settle for this, but whatever. Babe got a what is this, a rainbow snow cone. It looks like this. It looks pretty good. He usually gets bubble gum. Is it good? Did you taste it yet?
No.
It's a verdict.
It's freaking delicious, dude.
It looks good. So you guys, we made it back home safe and sound. We don't really have any more plans today, but I have to type something up and we're gonna film and we're gonna be hungry again later, so we're probably gonna cook. I don't know. We're gonna make, I don't know, we have like hamburgers and stuff. I don't know, whatever we're feeling. Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna be filming on the couples channel tonight, so I will see you guys then. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was my first one on this channel, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's not extremely long, but in the future I will be making longer ones. So I thank you for tuning in, and until next time.